I got this baby on a jack stand because it needs some love. I'm gonna do undercoating and powder coat the wheels. Funny color, you guys see. It's not bad at all. There's almost zero rust under the car. Oh, and new exhaust. Later. I'm dropping off the wheels for powder coating. After powder coat, I'm gonna put new tires. This one are still good, but they are a little bit dry, rotten. You can see the cracks here. And this one got a nail. Since I got it up, I'm gonna do oil change too. Look at the exhaust. There's a butcher job. Whoever did it before, it's been 10 years since I got the car, but on my way to drop the wheels in the shop for powder coating. And this is the shop right here. I like places like this. Not the cheapest, that's for sure. I hope he's gonna do a good job. Alright, wheels are there. I like the guy. Super nice guy. We will see about the job. Should be done in about a week. Drain plug 29 foot-pounds. Oil filter. I'm actually doing much more work than I was thinking before. I remove both fenders. It takes about 3.9 liters, 4.1 US quarts. Let's check. More than half right now, so let's put a little more. It's full right now. I'm gonna start the engine. It will suck a little bit. After removing the rocker panel cover, the plastic, I got a little hole right here. These holes are for the clips, but this is rusty, so I'm gonna have to fix this thing. I did some welding. It's not a patch. I just MIG welded spot to spot. It's a butcher job, I know, but I didn't want to patch it, and I was hitting the thin metal and it was burning holes, so I had to do it like this. It would be better with a patch, but I don't have machines to fold the metal here on the corner, so did it like this. And from little work is a lot of work. And we back here, fellas, to pick up the wheels. Yes, sir. They're beautiful. What do you guys think? Dropped my wheels earlier. Now picking up with tires mounted on it. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Y'all have a wonderful day.
You too. All right.